If you're running an online marketplace, you need a mobile app. Not it would be nice to have, you need one. Here's why. When you're running a marketplace, your entire business is built on 3 things. And that's engagement, convenience, and stickiness. Engagement is you need buyers browsing, discovering, coming back, and sellers listing, updating, and responding. The more activity on your platform, the more valuable it becomes. Convenience. Marketplaces win when they're the easiest option. Easy to find what you want, easiest to list something for sale, easiest to complete a transaction. Stickiness. You need people to choose your platform over alternatives, like buying direct again and again. Habits matter and loyalty matters. A mobile app serves all 3. Apps drive more engagement than mobile web. People browse longer, view more listings, and check in more often. And push notifications bring users back without spending $1 on ads. Apps are more convenient and they're faster. They're one tap away on your home screen and not buried in a browser tab behind a URL that you've got to type in every time. Once someone downloads your app, you're not competing for attention in the same way. You're on their phone and you're part of their routine. For marketplaces, that's everything. So why don't more marketplaces have apps? Because building one the traditional way is expensive and slow. And you're looking at native iOS and Android development, months of work, and ongoing maintenance. For growing platforms, that's just not realistic. But it doesn't have to be that hard. MobiLoud turns your existing marketplace into a mobile app without rebuilding anything. Your website becomes a fast, fully featured native app, completely synchronized with your website. All your listings, accounts, checkout, and web features carry over to the app. Buyers and sellers get a native app experience, and you get push notifications, home screen presence, and all the engagement benefits that come with it. MobiLoud does everything for you. They handle the build, publishing your app to the app stores, and ongoing updates. You keep running your marketplace, and the app takes care of itself. It's the best way for you to build a mobile app for your marketplace without dropping 6 figures on an app that takes another 6 figures per year to maintain. If you're running a marketplace and you don't have an app yet, you're leaving money on the table. Apps deliver more engagement, more convenience, and more stickiness. And if you don't have one, your customers will drift away to a marketplace that does. So head over to MobiLoud.com to see what your platform looks like as a mobile app.